Okay, AEM GPS speedometer. So basically you have the power to the radio, positive, negative, and these are the two wires for the AEM network. Just leave it blank. Then you connect the gauge with the connector all the way to the GPS, and make sure GPS can see the sky. So in front of the dash will be fine. Then you link to the gauge, and we are waiting for the gauge part, so we'll just do a test. Okay, start.
Gotta press on the clutch. It's on.
Yes, it's on. I don't know, it's an error code or something.
Satellite, it's reading.
Yeah, so
Okay, satellite. Can you start the car?